everyone, today in this video we are going to compare the investment differences between dropshipping and real estate. In real estate, it gives you stable and long-term returns. The next advantage is it helps you build rental income and build equity. The third one is it needs big initial investment and you will also have to do property management. Whereas on the dropshipping side, you can get started without any inventory. It's low cost and it's flexible. The other thing is that you can scale quickly, unlike real estate investment. But you will have to depend on the suppliers for you to scale your dropshipping business. So now you might ask, what is the best and which one should I opt for? Well, that depends upon lots of parameters and your investment type. To know more about, look into my long video where I'm comparing the real estate and dropshipping investment with a $1 million, and you can see the results in that detailed video. Signing off, Faz.